Are you planning to study or work in the United States? Congratulations on this exciting new chapter in your life. But before you take off, there are a few things you need to prepare for to make your transition smoother. First and foremost, ensure that your passport is valid and has enough pages for visas and stamps. It's also recommended to make a copy of your passport and keep it in a separate location. Next, make sure you have access to your important documents and information digitally. This includes your visa, travel itinerary, medical records, and emergency contacts. Be mindful of the weight and size restrictions for your luggage, and pack only what you need. Remember, you can always buy essentials once you arrive in the United States. Exchange some of your currency for US dollars before you leave. You'll need them for transportation, meals, and other necessities. Familiarize yourself with the culture, customs, and laws of the United States. It's important to respect and abide by them. Finally, don't forget to say goodbye to your loved ones and to give yourself plenty of time at the airport. Remember, it's normal to feel nervous or excited, but you are embarking on a life-changing adventure. Safe travels, and enjoy your time in the United States. To get access to exclusive content related to this video, make sure to check out the video description below. Like, share, and subscribe to Study Metro for more awesome content.